Look at me here, family. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and to your stomach, to your Thanksgiving, to your Christmas dinner table. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome. Those of you who are there with me from the beginning of this journey and you're still here, manners and respect. On today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, I'm going to do for you a second time some Jamaican stew beef, but this one is the Christmas version. I've got another one up, and I'm going to leave for you in the description the link to that other one, so you can choose if you want to use this one or you want to use the other one. But there is not much of a difference. But can I tell you something? Hey, Christmas that Jamaica, yeah, you know. When we go up on the road today, I went on the road today and said, what is happening with this traffic? When we look and see what I go on by the time the 25th of December come Christmas done long time in Jamaica, I come and gone. So I start get busy. Look at me here now, right on over here. We have got 3 pounds of beef chopped for stew. And if you want to get your beef, you know, these like a nice part. These like a part, you want to get your beef with them like a part you're in. You don't want to get all, and you must get it with a little bone. Remember, it's stew beef, so you must get some little fat and some little bone, not all gnarly. Your stew beef not going to taste good. So listen to me now. I've got some time here. I'm going to put my time in. Look at me here now. You know the next thing is garlic. 3 pounds, I may have about 5 big of garlic. Gonna go grate off my garlic and return to you, eh? Okay, garlic all grated off. I have some green scallions here. Top and bottom, because I use no onion. So I'm going to chop these off. Chop them as fine as you can. And all of that. Okay, if you have your food processor, you could put it in your processor. Gonna go get these chopped off and return. Scallions all chopped off. Your hands must be busy. It is the kitchen, and better yet at Christmas, your hand them feel busy. Naked hands, busy. Right in. So look at them. Nothing else could have done the trick better than your bare hands. Okay? Good, sir. Those are in. Let's get a little water. Go wash my hands. None did there. Water stress. Me soon come. Okay, we are back. And we're there. So we roll and we go on in hand. We have got we need some salt. We're not going to put no more than, a little more than, this is like about half of a teaspoon. Not yet. Do not put all the salt when you're seasoning up. Why? We have got some soy sauce and some all of them something here, and they all have salt in them. I'm going to be using them to make my stew. So I'm going to put all the salt and I can't put me a can. Okay? Look at me here. The next thing I got here, all fresh things I'm using here. I've got here some pimento seeds, and I'm going to be putting them right in my grinder. And I'm going to be grinding it off. Me soon come. Right back at your family. And me have my fresh pimento seeds, all spice, all grounded off, and all of that. This is the beauty that the pimento, freshly grounded pimento. Remember, I'm going all herbs, you know. I not use the powdered seasoning. And camera girl face and makeup. I've got here a little sweet ginger and garlic. I'm going to put in some of it. Eh? And within this period of time, you must have hot water being prepared. Remember that at all times. That's how we do it on the Jamaican cooking journey. Can't get no Scotch bonnet pepper. They look too workless down the market. I'm using some red pepper flakes for eat. My soon come. Okay, you saw everything that I did. I have some Worcestershire and I have some soy sauce. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm going to be preheating my pot, because look at me here. Me no long waiting and marinating. I cook a stew beef me I make, and a Christmas. And all who marinate when food no done, come with me and let us get in competition and see which one tastes better. Right in with some coconut oil, not too much, but just enough to make sure say your meat get all move round in the pot. Get your oil being preheated. This is a fast moving kitchen, a Christmas kitchen. So you get your, I'm using coconut oil. You could use any oil of your choice, okay? So just do you. Look at me here now. The oil is there being preheated. Let us turn it down. We don't want to get too heat up and all of that. And so, look at me here. Water is boiling. I've got here some Worcestershire. Putting in a little bit. It not do nothing much more than give it a flavor. It doesn't have a lot of color. See the color in here? The soy sauce. Use soy sauce that has some body. We're going to be putting in some soy sauce right now. But know your soy sauce. Don't put too much all at once. I'm going to put in a little and it smells so nice. Okay? You want to choose a decent soy sauce with somebody. So here we go. Look at me here. Remember our oil is there being preheated. Our hot water is boiling. That simple means we know, say, guess what? Are we a run kitchen and no kitchen a run with? Right in, camera girl. Look at me here. So you're going to be rubbing. And you're going to be rubbing. Good, sir. You're looking for that perfect stew beef color. You don't want when it finished pressure it come out with a little too much dark or too light. Look at me here. So from the look of it, you realize that you have to touch it up again with a little more soy sauce. Look at me here now. Okay? This should be good. Look at me here. Rubbing in. If you want to use your hands, you use your hands. Look at me here. Camera girl, you like that? Look here. Yeah, straight stew beef looking up Christmas. Man, I tell you, look at me here. Look at me here. Look at me here. We run kitchen. Type the rest in the comment section. Right on. Over here, camera girl. Oil should be hot. Let us give it a little more time. Yes. Right in. No marinating. Right in. And you know, you must have that sizzle. Look at me here. Give them a shot, camera girl. Put them up. So we are going to be going now. And we are going to do in a little more marinating. A little more rubbing up, you know, in the pot marinade. Look at me here. Look at that color. Beautiful. So we're going to go do that now. And when we're ready for throw the hot water, we are going to come back and show you. But now stop showing how much water for throw when you have pressure till I get it. Must soon come. So look at me here now. This was just the coconut oil and the stew beef. And look at me here. We are in here and all of that is happening. Me say nearly most me think the stew beef ready enough, family. It pretty and look like it ready. Look at me here, hot water. And we threw it in the thing that we used to season it. And we're going to get it right down in here. Of course, to the side. And I told you why to the side already. Okay? Look at me here. You're good to go. Hot water down in there. What was down in there was hot. So hot water go down in there. So look here. No temperature, non drop. Ready, we ready. Gone, we gone. Stew beef, we say. When we return, this stew beef should be ready. We're going to cover our pressure now. This stew beef should be ready. And look at me here. I am going to be graving down that stew beef. Out, I'm going to remove it from this pressure cooker. And I make sure I grave it down our pot that you all can see. I don't want anybody to say, no, Mr. I never see when you do it. Right on over here. We've got some bell peppers and we are going to be really generous because you know the bell pepper them and the beef, it go nice. You know, peppered steak, yeah. We've got some carrots and things get bad down the market with the local carrot. Then we have to resort to some imported. We got one little Walkless Irish. We've got, I'm going to be using a little barbecue sauce. Doesn't matter the brand, anyone you have once it tastes good. And we ain't going to be using ketchup. We're going to use some tomato here. When we come back, stew beef should be ready. Should be cooked, not ready. It should be cooked, pressured to how we like it. Don't let it cook too soft because we have to go do the cooking down again and get all of them sitting in. And when we return, that's where we'll be. My son come. Family, we are back. I have removed my stew beef from my pressure cooker. And I have it here on a medium flame. So as you go along, you want to make sure you remove these time sprigs. Because guess what? Most of the time, them kind of not so, you know, them not so to deal with and you know want to try to serve them. So these are the most important things you start to do. Now, look at the color of the stew beef. Let me get my flame down a bit. Look here, this stew beef is almost cooked, but it not cooked too soft because we have got to do some more thing inside here. So what I've got right here, I've got some carrots, and I've also got a little Irish. We are gonna put them in there right now, okay? You don't want to go too crazy with them there because I just 3 pounds. You don't want to put too much in there. Look at me here. That when you look, you see more carrot than stew beef and trick the people then. And when they think of stew beef, or stew carrot and stew Irish, okay? So we are leaving that down in there for now, and we are going to cover it and let these carrots and these Irish potatoes get a little cooked in. Now we have got some bell peppers. I've prepared this amount, the little almost red, the yellow and a little green, and I've got here my stewed tomatoes. I have my little barbecue sauce. We are not ready to put those in as yet. We are going to leave the carrots and the Irish to cook till about halfway through. Then we are going to come back and we are going to put in all of this, and then at that point we are going ready to get everything a gravy. We are going to gravy down the stew beef now, you know. You there? Me soon come. Okay, now family, look at me here now. You see what is happening? Yeah. You see the carrots and the Irish? Yeah. They are partially cooked. But look here. Look at me. The beef is still intact. You know? Yeah. You see what I go on there, so? This is a past river Nile, you know. You see a gravy on. And a gravy is in our water. It's so long. Let's get our flame down a bit now. Look at me here. So I'm going to be coming right here and now. I'm supposed to have a clean spoon. I'm going to put some of this in there. So, we're going to put about, this is what is going to give it somebody. We don't want to go too crazy for it to get too sour. Remember, it's tomato. Get your flame up, and we are going to get that incorporated. I hope you're there with me, you know, camera girl, you're there with them, that they can see what is happening. That them not get them gravy come long like River Nile. You know what that's happening in the kitchen. You're there? You're there, camera girl, Ansana? Okay. So look at me here. You notice we start have a little body already? Okay. Now, we're going to be getting in some of this beautiful little thing. These are nice little things, a barbecue sauce. So, you can put what you want to do you. Don't do me. Okay? I think for me, this is good. We're just looking a little pep of a little flavor. Look at me here right now. Look at me. You get your flame up. Wow. Camera girl, the thing a shot. What you say? Look at me here now. Look at me here. Look at me here. You have seen the body that this thing is taking on? Okay. Okay. Now, you're going to get all this thing in here. So, the niceness here. And you're going to put it right down in there. You're not going to put in these too early for them to cook up. Look at me here. Aye, if you have a Christmas tree. A favorite stew beef Christmas tree. You like it, camera girl? Shoot them up. Shoot them up. So look at me here. So now that you have put in all them little colored peppers and all of that, and look at me here, you see that your gravy has been taken on somebody. But look here, it's not there as yet. You have got to let it come down. And remember, you want the carrots and the Irish to finish cook a little more. So we're going to give this down a little bit, and we're going to leave it for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes to simmer, whilst you come about 2 times to stir it and to make sure it's not sticking to the bottom of the pot and all of that. When we return, we're supposed to have this, but guess what? We need to do a little tasting to see if you want extra salt. I don't think I need to see if you want extra heat and all of that. Me want some white rice, and that me want. Look at me here. Look at me here. Look at me here, family. You there? Shoot them up, camera girl. Shoot them up. I said 10 minutes. A minute has gone by. 9 minutes time. We'll be ready to plate this thing. Must soon come. Okay, now family, look at me here. You see your carrots? Let me show you. Carrots are cooked. Irish cooked. Yet they are still intact. So look at your gravy. So you want to turn this off now. And when you see me next, I'll have some plate up for you. It's just like how you're going to put it on your dinner table. Must soon come. Look at me here, family. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and to your stomach, to your Thanksgiving, to your Christmas dinner table. It is the Jamaican stew beef. Look at the gravy. Look at me ear now. Look at me ear. This is what you have. And look at me ear. Hello. You see all the meat, them come off of the bone, but them still intact. Look at me ear. Me have to taste all the piece. Me work hard. It's hot. If you have liked this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. And make sure you stay subscribed. Okay? It is Christmas. We are roll. And we are there. And we are going on. This is another version of the Jamaican stew beef. How many times have you done stew beef and it never come out right? You know, get the right color. It look puny. It look pian. It look naka. Jamaican stew beef. There you have it. Remember that all our PayPal or Cash App or Zelle, email and all of that. Remember that we're doing our black cakes and all of that. Right now we are taking orders. We have some orders that we have to send off this week and we are rolling and we're going in on. Thank you for your love. Very important. Thank you for your support. Thank you. Love you. Debbie from Donga Yard. Bless. No stress.